Hi historians, you are in your social studies course in Unit 2, Ancient Civilizations, and you're going to be in the Week 3 folder. I want to talk to you about ancient civilizations. I did a Google search, what is an ancient civilization? And this is information that I found. It says the term civilization basically means the level of development at which people live together peacefully in communities. Ancient civilization refers specifically to the first settled and stable communities that became the basis for later states, nations, and empires. We've learned that the first Americans were nomadic people. They were moving from place to place. Wherever the animals or the plants were, that's where they moved. Well, we are going to read about 3 groups that are considered to be ancient civilizations because they were able to develop communities in which they lived. They stopped moving from place to place and lived in one place. And these civilizations, these 3 groups, were like it said, the basis for later states, nations, and empires. So we are moving in history from where people are moving from place to place and now settling and creating a community. To start your work this week, you are going to click on 1, Land Claims. I want to give you a reminder that in order to move through your work, you use the Next button, making sure that you take time and read the information and follow the directions on each page. Remember, as I'm doing the preview, I go quickly so that you can see what's in the week work. You will take your time reading and learning. I'm going to click forward to find a page where we click away. This is an example. You'll click on the link and it takes you to the article. You'll scroll through, read all of the pages of the article, and then you'll need to go back to Schoology. And then you use the Next button to continue. In this week's discussion, if you would like to use Accountable Talk to reply to one of your classmates, you can do that. Please remember that discussions are spaces for learning, and it is not okay to make silly or inappropriate comments. I'm going to continue to click through to give you a preview of your work. And here is another example of you going away from Schoology, reading all of the article, and then going back to Schoology. You will end week 3 by doing this check-in. It's questions about the Inca life. It's okay. See how I have the Inca article open? It is okay for you to go back and forth between these questions and this article. It's okay to use your resources. Once you've worked your way through the folder and you've answered those questions, you're finished. You can put your journal away and read. If you have any questions, please check in with your teacher.